Okay, so let's unbox this beast here. Oh, I need a bigger knife blade here. Alright, so we have our owner's manual. Alright, there's the rotisserie bar. Looks like this is the drip tray. Top grate. Nothing hiding down here. Okay. And what do we have here? This little box has a rotisserie, has your motor, and then has the parts for the rotisserie. Some spacer boxes. What do we got here? This looks like part of the frame. Another part of the frame. Whew. This is pretty heavy steel. All right. So they have some PEM nuts. So they have the nut swaged into the metal. Actually, this is like a rivet one. That's pretty neat. Interesting. Haven't seen that particular one before, but that's nice. It's a nice touch. It means it'll be easier to assemble. Okay. Well, this looks like the doors. Yeah, we got the doors here. That looks nice. Another box of hardware. And I don't know what the chain's for. We'll figure that out. Let's see what we have here for parts. Okay, this one is your door handles. These are like a plastic, which is okay. And then looks like your magnetic catches for the doors. Put that there. Okay, wow, no wonder it's so heavy. Okay, the side burner has a drip tray. And here's your side burner. So here's your side burner. You lift this up, and inside you have your rack, your grill. Of course, I can't seem to get my hands on it. Okay, there we go. And this is a cast iron grill here. Okay. It has spacers on it. So the spacers, you can put it inside. It has finger holes, so you can grab it with your hands and then set it up. So when you're using it to grill, you set it up on top of the spacers. That's very nice. I'm just going to set this off to the side for now. Here's your igniter. Okay, and then here's your infrared burner. And in the box, we have some more instructions. There's more cardboard. And here's the other side. So, this is your folding shelf, and it has a little bit of hardware here, which I'll leave on for now. Whew. I bet this is the grills. We have the casters, we have drip trays, and these here, these guys here go with the casters. Then you have a little cleaning maintenance kit. It's got a little drill and like a pipe cleaner. It has like a product guide. And then we have a Grill Master recipe book. That's kind of nice. A variety of parts. Drip tray, fairly large casters, but I don't know. These barbecue casters are always too small. So, unless you're on perfect surface, these aren't going to really help you that much. They're kind of nice. They're nice, but they're not big enough. Down on the bottom, we have the grills. These grills are nice and thick. The Prestige Pro, they're like twice as thick as this, and these are really big. And these are solid stainless steel. So that's what you want. You go to Home Depot and you'll get grills that aren't fully stainless steel, they're just coated. So spend your money, get the good stuff. Oh, these are so heavy. There's a big stack of their flavorizer bars. And these have like a thin coating of oil on them. They're heavy too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. I'll put them on. So, I guess what you have to do is build the base and set this on top. Right, so this is what it looks like here. It has your hose there, and it has the 4 burners. You can just lift this whole box off the top of it. There we go. So the bulk of it's really together already. All you have to do is build the base. You'll need 2 people to set this on top of the base.